so we got Dashly Unit 28. So y'all, I'm really scared to install this wig. It's not a lot of hairline up here. It's just thick, and it's not much you can do. Like, it's no parting in this wig.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like, Daddy, all of the Barbies is pretty damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we can play tag. Red, hoodies sting me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit, got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. Nothing Ferrari, we pillin' out.
I'm just gonna use this brush to brush it out again. I'm just trying to figure out what's up with this weather though, because it's like one day it's 60 degrees, the next day it's snowing. Mother Nature is confused at this point. She don't know what to be. I don't know, y'all. January for me, I need another restart for January, because the amount of stuff that I've been hit with already that I'm trying to deal with, we're not even all the way into the new year yet. And I just keep getting slapped in the face with stuff. But you know what? I gotta keep going, right? Alright, so I'm gonna take this hot comb and try to hot comb this down and get a part at least. It's just the way it's constructed. It just look fake looking right here. Like up in here, I want to start this series where y'all give me some wigs that y'all scared to purchase, and I go buy them and I try to make them do what they do. Especially I want to start on Shein. I'm just gonna go on with my cream foundation and the level 12, and I'm just gonna tint this part so it can match. I don't know if y'all can see the way this parting is looking. Alright, so I'm just gonna take some scissors and I stabbed myself and cut this off. Back in the day when I used to do my synthetic wig videos, baby, I never secured them things all the way around. I kid you not. You had to have some type of talent to maneuver these wigs back in the day, because literally the way that these wigs are constructed is ridiculous. Like, they improved so much. It's crazy. Like, I feel like they really should go back and revamp their old units. There is no such thing as an ear tab and cutting around your ears with these older wigs. They just literally have to sit flat. There's no cutting like this. You get it? So it has to come down. It can't go around. But I will say this is definitely a beginner wig. Baby, you barely got any lace to work with. Like, I'm not even gonna secure this down. I mean, you can, but I'm just not. I'm just really gonna secure it here because ain't nobody gonna see this. So I'm not even securing these two sides down. Ooh, let me not. So I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit and just spray like from here to here. I was gonna use popsicle sticks to, you know, spread the lace spray around on my head. And I also got a new blow dryer. My hair tools, I just don't need to buy no more. It's an addiction at this point. Popsicle stick. And this is what my blow dryer look like. It red. It's Kiss. So it does come with an attachment. We're gonna put that on. Don't get stuck to the spray. Y'all, I literally don't even know what I just said. And I'm supposed to be using a popsicle stick. That defeated the purpose of me getting the popsicle stick. I didn't even use it. That was the whole point of me getting the popsicle stick. To use it, to spread it around. We're gonna have to fully try it in another video because I didn't sit there and use my hand now. But anyway, y'all seen me secure it down, and I'll just put my band on for a few minutes, cause yeah. So I'll just put it on this side. It's doing a little bit of tangling on me, Charlie. Ooh. I'm gonna use the little lighter shade in this palette, and we're gonna try to define this part. Don't this look crooked? Oh my mama. Several minutes later, after brushing and combing, this is what it looks like without no baby hairs. And like I said, it's not that bad. Let me try to put some oomph in it. Y'all know how I like my bumps? We're gonna try that. Like this. I'm feeling like, honestly, it's not the hair that I don't like, because the hair looks great. It's just the hairline that looks like fake. Like, I feel like if I put a beanie on, I feel like this would eat. But I just wanted to show you guys that I feel like it looked better with a beanie. But look at the hair. The hair itself eat. Look at these beautiful curls. I just like it like this. Now we're gonna try to finesse it with some baby hairs and see what that gives. But just don't let nobody snatch your hair off. Let's see what it would give if I do a little bit of baby hairs. Just a little bit. Because it does have a little bit of room for them. It might make it look a little bit better. Hey, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on this brush. And just swoop these down. And like I said, my whole head is still not even glued down. I just secured the front. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of our Sebastian spray so this can stay out of my face. Then we're gonna spray a little bit on top. Not on my forehead, bro. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig turned out, okay? I feel like I would consider this a beginner video because I didn't do anything. Like, as far as the steps, there's not much to do. And also, I'm also saying this is a beginner wig because it's not customizable up here. Like, it's just thick up there. Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet. It's just thick. So let's also keep in mind that the construction of this wig is based on back in the day's time. Back in the day, just scroll back to 2018, scroll back to 2015. When you look at hair reviews, this is how this wig is constructed. It's not constructed in this day and time, okay, where you got the leggy look. Okay, so if you're looking for that, I'm gonna tell you go ahead and click off now, because this ain't the wig. This wig ain't gonna do that. There's not much parting space in here, so if you guys struggle with parting, it ain't that much parting space. You only gonna get a middle part. It's like a middle part with edges. As far as the hairline, you don't have to do like plucking and stuff like that. Granted, it's not gonna look as natural as, you know, units that you can pluck and you can customize. You know, it still gets the job done. I feel like the hair quality overall is okay. It does shed, but like I said, it's cheap. I don't know how much I paid for it, but I just know it's cheap and you really get what you pay for. So if you guys are a beginner that are like truly beginners, get this wig. This whole thing right here, the curls and everything, it eats down, okay? It does have a little bit of shine to it, but I would definitely recommend this wig for my girlies who are just first coming into the game, don't know what they're doing. I feel like this wig, look, this is how I got it to look, and I barely did anything, literally. So I would say from a beginner's standpoint, 10 out of 10. That's just what it is. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until my next one, you'll go. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.